Hello friends, today we shall discuss question number 6 exercise 2.2. Now the question is, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs ₹45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Now how we are doing this problem, you see. First of all, total milk the vendor supplies, total milk the vendor supplies in the morning it is 32 and in the evening 68. Therefore, total is 32 liters, 32 plus 68 liters. Therefore, total is 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 6, 1 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 10, that is 100 liters. 100 liters. Now the question is, if the milk cost is 45 per liter, that means 1 liter cost rupees 45. Therefore, 100 liters cost rupees 45 into 100. Therefore, it is equal to rupees 4,500. Therefore, the question is, the milk cost is 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Therefore, rupees 4,500 is due to the vendor per day. This is the solution of question number 6. Again I am repeating. Here you see the total milk the vendor supplies equal to 32 plus 68 liters, that is 100 liters. And here it is given that 1 liter cost is 45. Therefore, 100 liter cost is 45 into 100, that is 4,500. The question is, if the milk cost is 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Therefore, rupees 4,500 is due to the vendor per day. That is the solution of question number 6.